Is your PC running slow or facing issue? Or maybe you just want to start fresh with clean system? In this video, I will show you how to factory reset Windows 10 to factory setting, make your computer full brand new again. Press Shift key and hold on. Restart your system. Plug in your computer on the power because this step needs a lot of time. Choose an option, troubleshoot, restart your PC, or see advanced option. Restart this PC. Let's you choose to keep or remove your personal files. Keep my files, remove everything. If you want to keep your files, click here. If you want to remove everything, click remove everything. I want to remove everything. Cloud download can use more than 4 GB of data. If you want to download new image, select cloud download. If you want to local reinstall, click here. I want to local reinstall. Reset this PC. Just remove my files or fully clean the device. I want to fully clean the device. Reset this PC. Are you ready to reset this device? Yes. Click on reset. This process takes a lot of time. Don't power off your computer. Just wait. Don't turn off your PC, this will take a while. Select one of them, yes. Select your keyboard, US or something else. Yes. What language do you want to use for your second keyboard? I want to select this one. Next. Which keyboard layout would you like to use? I want to use this one. Add layout. I don't have internet. Continue with limit step. Accept. Enter your username. Accept. Accept. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, put down on the comment section below. Have a good time.